In store here, boys. We're getting the new choocher. We had to get 20 of these choochers to have the old fucking. Yep. We need to extend these, so I brought them down. He's gonna extend these bolts for me with the extender machine, 3000. I'm gonna try and get these wheel studs out today. We're gonna put Kreger SS wheels on this car, because that's the right thing to do, is put nice wheels on the old car with all the rest of the bad stuff. We're gonna try and not break the cotter pin like we do every time. For some reason, I think these are like a one-time use thing. So you just want to make as many little stupid bends as you can that allow you to not get it out. Kind of like this. Had to bring over the persuader and my do anything wrench. Come on. I think we can give her the tug. Give her the old. No, see, they just don't want to be tugged on. I don't know why. She's on her way, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. Just keep tapping her out. She's gonna come. I cannot get this fucker out. Might have to do the old fucking. This whole video is gonna be me getting this cotter pin out. Holy. They always want to come out the back way. You get them halfway out the front way and then they want to just fucking come back. Yeah, or you can just do that, ladies and gentlemen. Doesn't want to fucking play nice, I'll teach it. There it goes. After all that fucking fighting, there it goes. Look at that. Yeah, these had to have been changed. Look at the smoke. Holy fuck. Keep my dad happy, put that underneath. Fuck, these breakulators are fucking. These things were changed recently. Look at this. Luckily, my dad pays for this. Fuck, these were changed recently. That's why they were working so good the first day. Look at that, people. The adjuster's just adjusting great. I've never seen that. cleaning station going here, boys. We got these. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're freaking made in Canada. That's quality, baby. Gonna kind of repack them. Spray all that old crud out of there. But these brakes, fuck, these brakes were done recently. You can see. I don't know if you guys can see, those fucking silvers are still silver. And everywhere, fuck, this grease is pretty damn new too. I'm just doing it kind of for the fun of it, getting, I don't know when they did it last because the guy, you know, guy was a little, so we'll see. But, look at this. So this one's USA. But this one here, made in Canada. I don't know if you guys can see that. A little weird, but they're the same fucking brand. I don't know. Don't ask me what it means. We're just gonna clean like this. That's not gonna go. No. Not for aspiration, baby. I mean, you don't gotta go too crazy, but you wanna go crazy. These were done. These clickers are still clicking. Everything's all working great. We're gonna fucking fully paint this. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be an alright unit. Maybe weld in some shit, I don't know. So, you haven't sat on the ground in the fucking driveway working on your stuff? I don't know. I don't know. But we're gonna repack these bearings here. Kind of, so you wanna just get your grease. Some of your dad's grease. So, I've seen all these different YouTube videos about you gotta put it in this way and this way. Just get the fucking shit in there. Okay? Okay, boys? I don't care if you frickin' stick this thing in the grease tube. Do what you gotta do. I hate those guys that are always trying to find nifty ways, when all you gotta really do is just fucking do the right thing and just... I like this method. You just flip it, flipsy doodle. Push it in, flipsy doodle. Push it in. As long as they're just fucking covered, like what the hell is the difference? People getting all fancy with their shit. Just fucking cover the bastards. There's one. Look, we're doing flipsy doodles all day here. Look at this. Just squeeze it in any way you fucking can. At the end of the day, it's all going in the fucking wheel. Fuck. Oh yeah, you've got to put it in from the bottom and then from the top. You're a fucking idiot. Fucking do the old... As long as it's fucking in there and on there, you are golden, boys. That's fucking golden. Shove some in the fucking right in there. Just don't be shy, just shove it in. So, and then this kind of presses the bearings also. do the old cleanup on your hands there. Look at that technique, boys. It's all gonna fucking ooze out the sides anyways. Let's not even kid ourselves. Okay, so I'll try and put this fucker back together. Fuck, boys, something like a paint shop here. Yeah, this hour is gonna kind of give her the old rejuvenator. 4,000. Looks like somebody already did the brakes on this fucking thing, so all we're gonna do is just give her the old frickin' rights. Well, the guys got you set up. You got some homebrew. Pick up a little bit of the rejuvenator. Had the drums off already, painted those. We've painted a lot of stuff. I know it's pretty much the right thing to do, just cover it up. But it does make her look fucking awesome. And another thing, if you aren't drinking homebrew in a time like now, what the hell are you doing? You slurping back Tim Hortons, Starbucks. What if one of those person has the fucking C19? Anyway, come on to another trip to frickin' Zacs' fucked up garage and we're gonna make something happen. Just a perfect cup holder. So we're basically making this thing showroom quality. What do they call it? They call this resale value in a can. I hope the guy that buys this thing off me doesn't see this, because I'm gonna resell it for like $5 grand.
All these parts are new again. Boys, if you don't know about this trick.
Teaching you boys one today. You just gotta hold your breath while you make a couple squirts and then come back out. What kinds is he rocking? Fucking hottest girl in the world told me this. Might go back and ask her her frickin' name. I even checked the receipt for her name, kinda creepy, but fuck, she was hot. Yeah, fucking Damien over here making adjustments. He's just pissing them all off. Hand on there, he's screaming. Take your arm on there, I dare ya. this fucking idiot looks like the ice cream man. Fucking who needs ice cream? I think there's a reason why everything you own is broken. Oh man. You gotta be dumb. Yeah, the Parisian's a little jacked up right now. It's like a truck. We got this faggot. Works, man. Oh, dude, my wheels! You faggot, you're gonna do it again. Fucking right, works, man. It works, man.
There's no... It's foolproof. Ow, ow.
Now you're scratching my mom's truck.
No,
what the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh, no, I crushed my finger. Oh.
Dude, man.
Ah.
Karma. Oh shit, we got... It's gonna get its first piss stain. Or shit stain. Start it up, man. It's like, where the fuck? One dog, one truck. I thought it was mine. My mom's crying. I thought it was mine.
I'm never allowed to come back.
No, she's just fucking...
Peace out, guys.
Peace, bud.
She'll be alright.
Now I gotta get a dog.
Great.
Great. Fuck, he's got a passenger. Put your seatbelt on. Alright, buddy. Look at him, he's got the fresh tires on the front and the shitters on the back. Those are his burnout tires.
You think I should?
Going that way. Alright, everyone hates me.
Yeah, already did, fucker.
This neighborhood loves me, man. Come on, bro. I've got a good reputation here, man.